So in today's video, we're making tacos with 4 ingredients. Yes please. How's your day going?
Going okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty slow.
Alright man, have a good one.
Yeah.
Finally. Jeez. This is gonna be a mess. Wow. Jeez. Oh my gosh. This is greasiest stuff ever. No. Oh, I think I burned it. This is the first time I'm making this, so I have no idea. Oh, jeez. I need a better setup. I think I burned it. Oh well. First time for everything. I saw someone on TikTok dip it in the grease. So let's do that. I still need a better knife. Uh-oh. Ah! I totally forgot about these. Alright. A little burnt. Still good. Some like this. A little chunky. Just like me. It's alright. This is not how you cut pineapple properly. I'm just doing this for garnish. All right, so that was tougher than I thought. Made it just in time for sunset. So there you have it, tacos with only 4 ingredients. I don't count this because that's garnish and that's optional depending on your taste. This is the first time I made tacos with this beef. I saw it on a TikTok and that's kind of where I'm going with this. Ooh, I almost forgot. Beef's alright. You can tell it's cheap, but it's still good. These aren't bad. It's super salty. I personally rated a 4 out of 10 compared to most street tacos. I did my best to try to emulate what you get on the streets, but I'm just not Mexicano enough. It's super salty. Like, goodness. Alright guys, so I'll pretty much do it. I'm pretty much done here. I'm full. You can have the last one. But that's it for now. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And until next time, catch you guys later. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to enjoy it. I don't know, man. I'm bad at outros.